you always get it right. And I just want to thank you so much for just showing your support for our awesome sorority. Many of you know that this year, this month of January marks the beginning of our 100th year of our sorority. Now, I don't know how many of you watched the Rose Bowl parade on Monday, right? Yesterday, that our sorority was featured as one of the floats yesterday, and they did an awesome job. We had 100 sorors to walk behind the float in celebration of kicking off. We will celebrate 100 years of our founders, of our 22 founders, on January 13th, 1913. So this is going to be a very, very busy year. I know that William Paul's wife, Cynthia, she is a member of that awesome sorority. And I just want to say happy centennial to all of our ladies of Delta Sigma Theta, especially those who work in the city of Houston. And so I look forward to our year celebration this year. So congratulations, ladies of Delta Sigma Theta. Did a great job at the Rose Bowl parade on yesterday. And again, let's kick off Centennial All Rose Beach to Washington, D.C. in July. And final, earlier you heard me just asking for prayers for many of our leaders, Mayor who has lost loved ones, this transition over this year. So I'd like to add another name to that out of respect for him. And many of us joined and paid respect to the family of Bethel Nathan on this past Saturday. I had the opportunity to attend the services. As we know that Bethel went home on December 22nd, 2012. From his home here in Houston, Bethel was a native Houstonian who graduated from Phyllis Wheatley High School in 1962 and studied at Southern University in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. He was a campaign strategist who was respected by U.S. representatives, governors, and municipal officials. Syndicated columnist David Broder described Bethel Nathan's strategist as the tip of the growing movement which may transform American politics. His work has been featured in Wall Street Journal, New York Times, The Firing Lane, William F. Buckley, the National Public Radio, and The Today Show. And also one thing I tell people, we always know the other side of people, but some of the sides that they don't mention is I didn't know that actually Mr. Nathan was the senior accountant for Motown recording. And so just want to continue to give his family my condolences, and that we continue to, again, I started off early by loving and respecting one another. So this is one of the ways that we can just all continue to move forward and support those families as they continue to mourn. And again, I want to thank my staff, Shavonda Johnson, Valerie Atara, Karen Haller, my chief of staff, Marisha Beatty, for a wonderful 2012. And I just want to thank you all so much for what you've done. To all my community leaders, Happy New Year to each one of you. To all the directors in the city of Houston, to all the department heads as well, and to city staff, Happy New Year. Look forward to working with each and every one of you for the year of 2013 as we continue to support our efforts right here in the city of Houston. Good job and kudos to all of you for going above and beyond to make this city operate. And again, Happy New Year to all of you and to my colleagues.